Good afternoon. All right, guys, as they say in our religion that Friday is a blessed day, and so here you can see final transformation for the exterior is happening now, and I'm putting on the turbo casts with new tires on it on the SMRKITT. You can see. So once these guys are done, then exterior transformation is pretty much complete. The blackout panel has been installed, as you can see, but I'm gonna I'll remove the protection film once I fill these edges, because you can see the length of this panel is shorter than it's supposed to be, and once it all goes together, you can see it will be following the nice curve. Because if you look at it, the body is not straight, the body has slight curve, so this panel is following that curve. So I just need to fill these corners up. That'll bring the panel right against the lights, and I'll put some double side tape there, just to hold the panel so it doesn't come out. So yeah, so she's all there, exterior, and I'm gonna remove that fifth brake light, because the Night Riders didn't have them. Next phase will be the interior. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. I would really appreciate that.